G'day guys, it's Karl. I'm part of the PVAD team here at the glove company. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the capabilities of your PVAD tech gloves. PVAD detects three-phase and single-phase voltage through lots of different materials. We've got a couple of examples we're going to show you. Here, we've got single-phase as part of a standard Australian socket attached to the wall through some conduit. You put the glove up against it, you'll see detects electricity voltage from about 40 to 50 mil away.
Alright, so we've just moved in from the warehouse where we tested the PVAD Tech Glove on 240 volt wall outlet on concrete. Now we'll give it a go on Gyprock. You'll notice you do get a larger range on Gyprock as concrete is more dense and tends to absorb the signal. The Gyprock you should see around 50 to 110 mils of range.
Alright, so we've just jumped over to our perfect example, an exposed wire. We've got this one here. It is just set up with a bit of clear tubing on it for our own protection. This gives off the best possible detection range. As you can hear, it's going off as I'm getting a little bit too close. If I move my hand closer, you'll see it should kick in around about the 300 mil range. So if I move my hand backwards now, so you've got a really good long distance. Now, if I was to turn my hand inside, palm forward, you'll see the range will shorten up. So down to about 150 mil. What we're going to do now, we're going to move through to other materials like metal and copper and aluminium. All right, so we've just jumped outside to our fuse box. As you can see, the large metal casing, that's going to stop any of the signal reaching out. So the PVAD glove shouldn't pick anything up. Let's give it a go. Nothing. We'll open it up and give it another try. So when we move to the areas with the metal doors on them, you'll see that we get no reaction from the glove at all, even with the main switch. Then when we move up to the fuse boxes, which have less shielding on them, we'll see the glove start to react to a high voltage currents available. Metals like copper, aluminium, steel, these all act as a conductor and they stop the electromagnetic field from escaping. That's essentially how a Faraday's cage works. We've just been outside to have a look, see how PVAD reacts on fuse boxes. Now we'll give three-phase a try. Three-phase is a lot harder to detect. It's a much shorter range. We'll have a little look. As you can see, the range is only about 30 mils. If you want to learn some more about that, check out the videos with Jess. Next, we'll move on to some static.
Alright, now we're going to have a look at some static electricity. Static electricity is a small, brief charge of electrical current that can be generated from walking, rubbing your hands together, patting yourself down. PVAD Tech is very sensitive and will detect static electricity. We're going to rub our hands together now, see if we can get some to generate. There, you see, we can pick it up. If you ever do get a detection like that, stop, double check on a known source of power to make sure that's all it is, and then continue to move on. All right, so there you have it. That's how easy PVAD Tech Glove is to use. After a while, PVAD becomes like a sixth sense, detecting electricity for you. Whether it's hiding behind gyprock, brick walls, 240, three-phase, single-phase, this thing really does it all. So get the job done right, stay safe. If you would like to see more videos or more content, jump on our website on the Glove Company, or give me a call, grab yourself a pair.